class was so boring.
Yeah, I remember it.
I hope Gary's class is less boring.
I doubt that.
So, what are you doing after school today?
I got work.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah. I wrote this class is fine.
Hopefully.
Alright guys, good morning. How's your day going? We're fine. Well, my day sucked because I have to wake up at 4 in the morning. Oh, that really sucks. Yeah. Let me go take attendance really quick and I'll get you settled in on the day.
Alright.
Right guys, let me take attendance. Gabriella.
Here.
Mia.
Here.
Simran.
Here.
Teeny.
Here.
Ella.
Here.
Adrian.
Here.
Honora.
Here.
Peyton. Peyton is not here. Ben.
Here.
Mitchell.
Yup.
Maxim.
Here.
Ayla.
Here.
Caden.
Here.
Calvin.
Here.
Michael.
Here.
Corey.
Here.
Andrew.
Here.
Truman.
Here.
Sophia.
Here.
Rachel.
Here.
Jacob.
Here.
Logan.
Yeah.
And that's the attendance for today. Alright guys, put phones down then, unplug. So I just need 2 minutes of time and I'll let you guys go. So today is going to be a free reading day. So you guys can go get your books on the shelf if you need. But if you have your own, you can read that. And guys, don't forget that we have a quiz on Tuesday over Romeo and Juliet, Act 3. So don't forget. Okay, so I think that's it. So I'll let you guys get to it. And also we'll have 5 minutes of social time to hang out with your friends after we're done reading.
Let's go.
So I'll set a timer and I'll tell you guys when that is over. So get to it guys.
Bro, these teachers are so boring. I don't want to read today. Really? Let you go.
Yeah.
This one looks good, I guess.
Guri, can I go to the bathroom, please?
Yeah, that's fine. I'd rather have you read, but that's alright.
Thank you.
New English tea. Oh, my favorite.
Bro, the book is so boring.
Oh, it's done. My favorite. New English teas.
What is she doing?
You guys need something?
No, sorry. Something just happened in my book.
I totally understand. What's going on over there?
Wait, take it back. Wait, bro, I didn't get any.
Wait, guys, I think we're good. I think we're good, guys.
Heaps and tea, nothing like it. What a wonderful joy.
She will never know. Send. Oh, what's this video?
What is that?
Turn this off. Stop! Stop! What do I want?
Mitchell! You need to pick your phone up and put it in your bag.
I'm sorry, I was just checking something.
Okay, well maybe if it was in your bag, you would not have been tempted to use it. Stand up, put your phone in your bag, so you're not tempted to use it.
Okay.
Also guys, I forgot to mention that we were doing assessments over the books you're reading right now. So pay attention to them and read them well.
Dude, what?
Kids these days can't get off their phone.
She sounds pretty mad. She just cursed. So I don't think we should do anything else.
Yeah, you're... Is Corey sleeping? What just happened?
Ben and Corey, you guys have been causing trouble since the beginning of this school year. You two need to knock it off. Have a word with your parents after school. Corey, get your scallywag back to work. Ben, stop bothering Corey.
Guys, I don't think I can last any longer. I need to plug in.
Don't do it. We only have 5 minutes left.
I have to do it. I have no other choice.
No.
Okay guys, reading time is up. You may now have your 5 minutes of social time until the end of class when the bell rings.
Hey Ben. Reading time is over. Time for social time.
Yay. Let's go guys, we did it. We survived.
Yeah, we will make it through Miss Gary's class. I knew.
The bell's about to ring.
3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Come on.
Didn't that sound weird? Guys.
Oh look. Oh my god. What was that?
What's going on?
Wait, where?
Where'd everyone go?
Oh, Benny boy. Ben, I told you to unplug in your class. All you had to do was listen.
I'm so sorry. What are you gonna do to me? Please don't give me a bad grade. Please.
Oh, it's much worse than that.
Bitch!
She's not in here. Please, it's not my team. I want to get out.
Mitch, no! Where's Corey?
You see what happens to your friends when you don't unplug?
I gotta get out of here.
Don't even think about escaping me.
It's happening again! Corey! Get in there!
Sorry, Ben, but I think it's your time to send.
Alright, hopefully this class isn't as boring as last one. Yeah.
Good morning, class. Everybody take the seats. And as always, unplug.
Okay, let me just take a quick. Okay. Ben. Here. You unplug. Wednesday, so you can. Quit! Over there. Mitchell! Hey!
What just happened?
Ben and Corey, you guys have been causing trouble this whole year. I cannot stand it any longer. If you keep this up, I will have a word with your parents after school. Corey, get your scallywag back to work, and I
Huh? Mitch! How do you get in there? How do you know?
So I know I don't do these types of things at the end of each video, but I just wanted to stop for a moment to say, thank you all so much for the support you've been giving us ever since we started our YouTube channel. We are about to hit 100 subscribers, and I didn't even think we would have made it this far. We originally started the YouTube channel as just a joke for something we would do for fun, but now it's become something we have so much fun doing every single time we get the opportunity to. When we reach 100 subscribers, I think we've decided that we're either going to start a gaming channel or start incorporating challenge videos, just to change it up instead of the same horror-related theme we do each time. But besides that, thank you guys so much for watching our videos. We're hoping to see you in the future and can't wait to grow our channel and even more later on. Let's go Fart Nation!